Hi, it's Ariane with Peak Academics, and today we're going to talk about keeping our brain flexible and being kind as we face challenges. You may have guessed we're talking about growth mindset. Remember, your mind is still growing, and through dedication, hard work, and practice, you can become aware of your strengths and how to make improvements when you face challenges. I always like to think of growth mindset like a plant. The plant on the left is bigger than the plant on the right, but that doesn't mean that it stops growing. Just like your mind, the plant has to keep growing no matter what. The materials you'll need for our growth mindset activity are markers, paper, sticky notes, and your planner. We're going to start by taking a piece of paper and your pens or your markers and writing growth mindset at the top. I also included a small sketch of a potted plant to remind myself that, like the smaller plant, my brain has to keep growing. The purpose of this first page is going to be to collect growth mindset statements that you could use when you encounter challenges in your learning. You could also use this page or this activity to reinforce things that your brain is already good at. So I picked up my pens and I'm writing growth mindset statements on this piece of paper. You can pause this video at any time and use or change my statements to remind your brain that it has to keep growing through dedication, hard work, and practice. The first statement that I wrote is that my brain can stretch and grow. Then I continued with my brain is still growing. These statements are good reminders of what you can do when you face challenges, maybe what you can say when you feel like giving up, also what you can say when you're reinforcing that you are still learning. My third statement is my brain can learn new things. So I'm going to continue on writing growth mindset statements. Now, open up your planner get out your sticky notes, get out your growth mindset statements, and be ready to start thinking about what things you do each week. Maybe you know as you do your reading pages this week that you need to reinforce your brain with the growth mindset statement. So on your sticky note, you're going to write a statement like, my brain is still growing. And as you encounter challenges in your reading this week, you can go back to that growth mindset statement to remind yourself that like the plant, your brain is still growing. Now, maybe for math, you know that you encounter some challenges. And so you pick a growth mindset statement that helps remind your brain that facing challenges is a good thing. And you write a statement like, it doesn't make sense yet. Because as you know, math builds lesson to lesson, and by the end of the lesson, it may all make sense. And I'm going to add on to this growth mindset statement and kind of combine another one. It doesn't make sense yet, but I can learn new things. I'm going to take that sticky note and place it right into my planner. So as I start to work, I can plan my growth mindset statements to use, and I also can reflect on how those statements helped me at the end of the week. I like to reflect with a simple smiley face. A smiley face means it helped, a straight face means I'm still working on it, and a sad face means I need to pick some different growth mindset statements. I keep my statements and my sticky note all buckled up in my planner. That way I can open up my planner, use my growth mindset statement list, pick my growth mindset statements to apply in my learning and practice each week.